Imagine driving home from work. You're tired, you're hungry, and you just want to reach your family. Suddenly, a car jumps the red light and slams into you. Your car is destroyed. You're hurt. And then, within minutes, you realize something even worse. You have no insurance. What happens next is something most Americans don't understand until it's too late. Today, we're going deep inside real U.S. cases that show what actually happens when someone drives without insurance. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is not just information, it's a wake-up call. Because every single day, thousands of U.S. drivers take the risk of driving uninsured, and one mistake, one police stop, or one accident can destroy their finances, their driving record, and even their future. We're going to break down the real legal consequences, real U.S. court cases, what police actually do, what uninsured victims face, and how much money people have lost in seconds. Plus, at the end, I'll explain how you can protect yourself with the cheapest legal insurance in your state. Let's get into the real cases. In 2023, a man in Texas named Brandon was driving home when someone hit him from behind. The accident wasn't his fault, but guess what? Brandon did not have car insurance. And because Texas follows a fault-based insurance system, the police asked him one simple question. Do you have active proof of insurance? He didn't. Even though he wasn't at fault, he still received a $350 ticket, court fees of $600, license suspension until he paid the fees, and lost his car completely. Because he had no insurance, he couldn't claim repairs, towing, or medical bills. He lost $68,000 in total damages. No insurance means you lose everything, even if you're innocent. In most U.S. states, driving without insurance is illegal. Here's what can happen during a simple traffic stop. Police ask for your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. If you don't have it, you get an instant ticket. In 12 states, they can tow your car on the spot. You get a court summons, your license can be suspended, and in many cases, you may be required to file an SR-22, which doubles your insurance costs. Police officers treat uninsured driving the same way they treat reckless driving, because an uninsured driver is considered a financial risk to the public. A woman in Georgia was caught 3 times driving without insurance. The first time, she received a $200 fine. The second time, a $500 fine plus a 90-day license suspension. The third time resulted in 3 days in jail and a 1-year license suspension. The judge told her, "You're putting every driver in danger. Jail is meant to stop you." Most people don't know that in 14 states, repeat offenders can legally be jailed. Driving without insurance isn't dangerous only for you. It destroys the lives of people you hit. If you hit someone while uninsured, you personally pay all damages. You can be sued in civil court. Wages can be garnished and bank accounts frozen. If someone is injured, medical bills can reach $30,000 to $200,000. In one real case from Florida, a man hit a family at a stop sign. The total cost was $248,000. He had no insurance, declared bankruptcy, and still owes money today. Statistics show uninsured drivers are 3 times more likely to run away from accidents. Why? Fear of jail, fines, court, and insurance penalties. But running makes it worse. It becomes a criminal charge. Jail time is almost guaranteed, and fines jump to thousands of dollars. A small mistake becomes a criminal record. A 19-year-old in California borrowed his uncle's car and assumed it was insured, but the insurance had expired. He hit a parked Tesla, causing $17,000 in damage. Even though he was a minor, the family was sued, the uncle lost his license for 6 months, and the court ordered them to repay the full amount. They are still paying monthly installments. This case teaches an important lesson. Never drive any car unless you confirm it is insured. If you get caught even once without insurance, future insurance companies will charge you more. The system labels you as a high-risk driver. Your insurance can increase 60 to 200%. Some companies will refuse to insure you. You might be forced into SR22 insurance, which costs double or triple. A single mistake can cost you thousands every year. The good news is that every state in the U.S. has legal minimum coverage that is extremely affordable, often under $40 to $60 per month. You don't need full coverage. You just need basic liability insurance to stay legal. The key is always to check your policy dates and always carry digital proof on your phone. One small step can save you from financial disaster. Driving without insurance might feel small, but the consequences are life-changing. Real cases prove people lose cars, money, licenses, court cases, and some even go to jail. So protect yourself, protect your family, and stay legal. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss powerful videos like this about insurance, cars, and smart money decisions in the U.S.